Hey everybody, Brian Akins, RebelRelics.com. Here's the item that I'd planned to do today before we got sidetracked on the short swords. This is a Confederate bayonet from the American Civil War. You never guessed what it went on. Okay, you guessed it, a shotgun. Can you imagine holding a full-length Jed Clampett style shotgun with this thing sticking off on the end? Just amazing. Serial number 594. There could be a shotgun out there with a brass adapter on the end. Serial number 594. Also, these here, there was, like I said, the adapter was on the end of the double barrel or single barrel, and then this went on, and this locked it in place. I can't imagine these were super duper popular, but for a Confederate shotgun bayonet, this is as pretty as you're going to see. That Rebel brass patina, that's a little phrase I use that I've seen used elsewhere. I like that. Just gorgeous. Rebel brass is just a mixture. Looks like it's got a high copper content in there. The patina is awesome. Median ridge running through the blade. Here's something you also see on like the Confederate pikes. That little TP looking right there going into that median ridge. Kind of cool. All right, guys. I'm Brian Akins, RebelRelics.com. Just wanted to show off this Confederate shotgun bayonet. I'll add some pictures to the video. Appreciate you guys.